Hi, I'm Vinny from DSP team UP based out of Lucknow. This is my 7th year in DSP now, and it's been such an enriching journey where I've learned and enhanced my skills through various initiatives, be it the book reading session or Train the Trainer program. The most important thing that DSP has taught me is to be focused on client needs and cater to them in the most efficient manner. Our philosophy, do good, be good, is not just for the external communication that we do, but we follow it in internal engagements as well. DSP always gives me opportunities to showcase my talent on various fronts, which fuels my urge to get better day by day. Be it the unique sales contest where I get to focus more on the product side, or e-business initiative like IFA Express where tech knowledge and expertise comes to the fore. Other initiatives like Tax Saver Drive propels my marketing acumen. So it's one company, one platform with many hats for people to don. All I would like to say is that it's indeed a blessing to be working with DSP, where we all work together to achieve the common goal of serving our clients, making them invest for good, but at the same moment retaining our own individuality. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.